Then suppose you cool off and tell me about it.
One of those road agents has been killing our drivers. I caught him breaking in here.
I didn't break in. The door was open.
Yeah, it was open. After you picked the lock.
What were you doing in here?
I saw the light and thought the office still might be open. Figured to get me a ticket on the stage of Cheyenne.
He's lying.